In the heart of the Amazon, a curious electric eel named Volt lived, known for his powerful electric shocks. One day, Volt felt a strong urge to explore the river's depths. As he ventured deeper, he encountered a lost toucan named Tiki, who had fallen from his nest and was trapped amongst the river's roots. Tiki was in distress, unable to fly or swim. Volt, with his powerful electric shocks, could easily have freed Tiki. But he hesitated, fearing he might harm the delicate toucan. Tiki, seeing Volt's hesitation, asked, "Why do you not help me, Volt? I am in great danger." Volt replied, "I fear I may hurt you with my electric shocks." Tiki sighed, "Fear should not bind us. If you do not help, I may not survive. But if you do help, I may learn something new." With that, Volt mustered his courage and used a small, controlled electric shock to dislodge the roots. Tiki was free. Tiki, grateful for Volt's help, asked, "Why did you help me when you were afraid?" Volt replied, "I saw that my fear was preventing me from helping. So, I chose to act despite it." Tiki, touched by Volt's bravery, promised to share Volt's lesson with all the creatures of the Amazon. Fear should not control us. Courage should guide us. And so, Volt learned that sometimes, fear can hold us back, but courage can set us free. And Tiki, in turn, learned to trust and help others, even when they seem different. In the end, both learned valuable lessons, and the Amazon became a little bit kinder and braver because of it.